Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Steam on a Mac. After Steam installation, you can play Counter-Strike 2, Apex Legends, P.U.B.G Battlegrounds, Dota 2, Baldur's Gate 3, and Dead by Daylight without any hassle. Let me walk you through the process. First, we'll navigate to store.steampowered.com, which I'll link in the description. Then click the Install Steam button. This downloads a file called steam.dmg, which will open next. Go to your Downloads folder in Finder and scroll to locate steam.dmg. Double-click it to open it. You'll see the Steam icon, drag and drop it into the Applications folder. Simply hold your mouse button or trackpad down and release it over Applications. Now navigate to Applications and scroll to find Steam. It's alphabetically organized, so you'll find it near the bottom. Double-click Steam to launch it. A dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to open this app downloaded from the internet. Click Open. The app will take a moment to download the latest Steam client update and patches. Be patient while it extracts the package and updates. You may see patching messages appear. This is completely normal. Next, you'll see the Steam login screen. You can create a free Steam account, log in with your credentials, or scan the QR code using the Steam mobile app on your phone. Choose whichever method you prefer and log in. Once logged in, you can browse and install Mac-compatible games. Go to your library and click the filter button to show only games that run on macOS. For this example, I'll download Paralives, a Mac early access game. Select it and click Install on Macintosh HD. It's only 5 GB, so the download is quick. Once the download completes, press the green play button to launch the game. It takes a few seconds to load, but soon you'll be playing games like Paralives on your Apple Silicon Mac. That's how you get Steam games up and running on Apple Silicon hardware. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.